whisper it quietly, but we have finally found the mythical Javelina that we've been looking for the last 4 months in various different states. And here we are in Texas, and we finally found them. Not only have we found them, there's a whole family grazing herd here of 10. There's 2 right there. 2 more here. And then there's another 6 as we pan round here. How about that? They do actually exist. Peculiar things that they are. To some people these are the Peccary, and out here they're Javelina. A whole family group. Mum, Dad, and a whole bunch of juniors. Apparently the grass is pretty good here, because that's what they're chowing down on. And then this one apparently has no fear of people. And we got them all to ourselves. Dinner time. They are funny animals, but definitely not afraid of people. There we are. Finally, proof positive. They do exist deep in the heart of Texas.